Mary. And beside it is one of the cruise ships that probably goes around maybe Alaska or something. And the bike passes along this jetty. So I wish ganito rin ang gawin nila sa Pilipinas sana. Yung mga tabi ng dagat. Ito, bypass lang. Mahigpit na i-implement. Tapos may pedestrian lane din. Pero sana tabi ng dagat, bypass talaga. Ewan ko lang kung sa cultural center pwede pa ito. Wala ka na mahuli nga mahuli na isla. This is almost the end of the bike path now. 5 miles. This is our first 5 miles. At the end of it, sa bandang dulo, meron sila nilagyan na extension ng plastic to actually. I don't know what